Sharing files online is convenient, but unsafe practices can expose you to serious risks. Today, we'll explore the dangers of unsafe file sharing and how to avoid them. Unsafe file sharing happens when files are shared without security precautions, leading to potential data exposure. Public Wi-Fi can expose your files to interception. Sharing files through unverified apps risks exposing your data to malicious actors. The risks include data theft, identity theft, ransomware attacks. Confidential information can fall into the wrong hands. Files can be encrypted and held hostage. Avoid these mistakes: weak passwords, no encryption, sharing with unknown recipients. Using 123456 is like leaving your door unlocked. Encryption scrambles your data, making it unreadable to unauthorized users. Follow these steps for secure file sharing. Use trusted platforms, enable two-factor authentication, encrypt files, verify recipients, avoid public Wi-Fi. Consider these tools: secure file sharing platforms, password managers, antivirus software. Major breaches highlight the importance of secure sharing. Equifax breach, hospital ransomware attack. Safe file sharing protects you and your data. Have you ever faced a security issue while sharing files? Subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and stay safe online.